Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about whether or not Setmore has an app. I'm sure many of you are wondering this, as Setmore is a popular scheduling and booking platform. It's used by businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations. So, does Setmore have an app? The answer is yes. Setmore has a mobile app that is available for both iOS and Android devices. The app is free to download and use. What can you do with the Setmore app? The Setmore app allows you to do the following: book and manage appointments, view your schedule, send and receive notifications, track your bookings, manage your clients, and much more. How to download the Setmore app? If you're interested in downloading the Setmore app, you can do so from the App Store or Google Play Store. Benefits of using the Setmore app. There are many benefits to using the Setmore app. Here are a few of the most notable. It's convenient. You can book and manage appointments on the go. It's time-saving. You don't have to log in to your computer to make changes to your schedule. It's easy to use. The app is very user-friendly. It's free. In addition to the benefits mentioned above, the Setmore app also has a number of other features that make it a valuable tool for businesses. Setmore Analytics. This feature allows you to track your bookings and see how your business is doing over time. Setmore Reports. This feature allows you to generate reports on your bookings, clients, and revenue. Setmore Integrations. This feature allows you to integrate Setmore with other apps and services, such as Google Calendar, Zoom, and QuickBooks. Overall, the Setmore app is a great tool for businesses that want to streamline their scheduling and booking process. If you're looking for a way to save time and improve your business, I highly recommend giving the Setmore app a try. In addition to the information above, I would also like to add that Setmore is constantly updating the app with new features and improvements. So, if you're already using the app, be sure to keep an eye out for new updates. And if you're not using the app yet, I encourage you to download it and give it a try. I think you'll be glad you did. I hope this video has answered your question about whether or not Setmore has an app. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about business and productivity. Thanks for watching.